Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a small video this time. This time it's about my new streaming concept. Yeah, it's a concept. Yeah, basically I always wanted to have the simplest way to stream my PC to close friends or close people, even if I want, for example, to do it like 24/7, leave the PC streaming all the time with no problem and no regulation problem and something and some stuff. Yeah, so I create this RTMP server on my website. So if I go to my main website and if you go to the live section, it won't work because I need to pass you the tunnel. But you can connect and see me live streaming at any time, any moment. It's more private and we are not regulated with third party. I will explain you that is the advantages of using this way of doing things are quite good, but I won't use it every time. Of course, it's just for small groups, small people that are interested on it and want to see cool stuff and more like private stuff. One big thing is to be able to use OBS, so I can add custom layers and effects to the screen sharing, like for example this little guy or other things around like my socials and stuff, or important links, or I don't know, a lot of things we can go. It's OBS based, so you can invent a lot of you just free your creativity with this. Since I'm using OBS, all the audio settings are working perfectly, so once it's done, it's all set for every time. It's the same every time. So I can stream any desktop audio, even in background. So audio, yeah. That's a thing that Discord doesn't do for desktop streaming. In Discord, for example, you need to specify the application you want to stream and you are just hooked with that application. If you want to stream more things, like in Unreal Engine, if you are using two windows of Unreal Engine, you can't stream one at a time. It doesn't really make sense, just because of the audio of the game. For example, you want to play around or something and you have audios coming on, the fact that you just have to stream one window at a time just to get the audio working, that's super annoying. So in order to get desktop audio working, that's the way I managed. I just use OBS and just stream my computer audio. I was along with my microphone sounds and more stuff like streaming music and so on. So it's pretty dope. No third-party regulation, so we are super free with this. That's mean that we are not censored by our speeches. For example, if we say bullshit, we are not struck down by YouTube or Twitch. It doesn't make sense. Of course, don't be stupid. Don't use it for other purpose that just your friends or close people that you wanna share. Okay, it's all common sense. Okay, let me check the advantages. Any device, so you can see it on any device with a browser, like PC, of course, PC and smartphones obviously you can do it, but the most important thing is the smart TV. You can use your smart TV, just type the URL that I need to give you with the specific tunnel. I will show you an example. And yeah, you can see all your streaming computer on the on your smart TV. So any movie that you are seeing, any YouTube video stuff, you can just one guy on a PC and just see the movie on the on the PC and well, the creativity is endless with this. That's why I came with that idea to do my own RTMP server, and using my website I can just quickly share it around. The disadvantages at the moment, some I can fix, other one I can't fix. Some I will be able to fix them, like the last one. The other ones will be tricky. It's not impossible, but it will be tricky. I really need to dig into this. Don't know if I'm going to do. At the moment it's more than enough. But one of the problem is there is no buffer and no streaming quality settings that you can change. Or like on YouTube, if your connection is getting low or slow, sorry, the YouTube drops the quality of the video in order to keep in sync. That's not the case. You are downloading a huge amount of data because it's source quality, so that means it's 2K resolution at least on my computer, and it's minimum 1080p, and I think it's way more. No, it says here 60 FPS, so it's 60 FPS guaranteed. You are downloading this, so the file can be huge on your device if you are seeing on the smartphone, especially if you are using data and not Wi-Fi. Data? It's data or data? I don't know. Data. Yeah, and not Wi-Fi. Of course, be smart. Use Wi-Fi. it's always better. When you close the tab on your browser, it may clean the file. I'm not sure about this. I need to check this, but yeah, that's not a big deal. On your smartphone, you just find an app, just clean, a simple clean app, and I think you are okay. Not a constant stable connection, so because of that you can lag a little bit. Even my OBS can, I don't know why, but my OBS, when I stream to this type of tunnel, sometimes it lost a little bit connection just in a couple seconds on my side. But even on the website, you can still struggle with the connection and you can be out of sync. So yeah, you can be out of sync. So it's not real live, you know. But the way I did to work around, it's basically my website tries to refresh the video every 1 minute, so you still in sync, so you can be, yeah, that's the only way, the workaround I did. If for any reason the video stops completely, there is no audio or something, it seems to be stopped, you just have to hit play and it should. I will show you an example. And the last thing that can be easily done, well, not sure about that because it's not a media player, but it's the volume control. There is no volume. You can just mute and unmute. That's the way I did, but not the actual volume. So it can be super loud, but that's something I can just reduce the overall audios, or you on your browser, you just select the browser and just reduce it. Yeah, that's not that's the only way. But yeah, at the moment that's the freedom I can get from this RTMP server. I will show you. So this is pretty cool. The advantage are quite good enough to use that, but of course I won't use it every time. Remember, it's always for close people or specific streaming, or if sometimes I can do like a 24/7 streaming because I like to share, or I'm on a PC. I can stream, I don't know, maybe content that is censored in other platform, like games or stuff that can be critical to the policies. So since it's private, it's full freedom. It's on my website, so that's and it's a private live stream. The link it's always different, so I don't think there is problem with this. Please comment below if you think that it's not a good way to do it, but yeah. So let's show you how this thing works. It's only work for me because it's a setup I did for myself, but I could scale this up if more people will be interested with this. I could create a system for that, but I'm quite limited actually. I will show you. So yeah, basically, I go to my website folder. So this is my website folder. I have a section with the RTMP, and I have the index.html, which is this following page. Okay, so if you go to my website, that's the page. Okay, so it says okay. I have created two bat files, one just to generate the link for the website. It just basically I just have to copy I will show you. Run RTMP server, so it runs my server for RTMP. Okay, so it uses my localhost. I create a localhost server. My OBS is hooked to that localhost on the settings. Okay, and then I'm streaming out of my computer my localhost to the cloud using ngrok. So I actually have a ngrok running. This is a one. So I'm using my own localhost in that port, for example. Okay, and I can just copy this generated link. So it used my localhost and use a new port. It's just forward my connection outside my computer, and I just have to paste it here on the website. Okay, so it can work. Okay, so and I just have to hit play. I'm gonna mute this, and here is the live stream. So this is pretty cool. So I can just share to my smartphone, and I can keep track on this. So it's pretty cool. Let me check another. I just create this bat file for me to help me out. I just passed the URL, and it opens directly my website with that tunnel. So it's all automatic. It's just an easy way for me to. Just for me, an easy way to do this. We need to hit play because regulation once again of browser. The browser in any device doesn't want you to like the action. You need to provide an action in order to get the result. I can set it autoplay. The script. I have a script to autoplay this, but somehow the device doesn't allow you. Once again, the browser even the Google Chrome is regulated. You can't fire. But yeah, I understand it's for security reasons, but it's getting crazy nowadays. And that's the way to. Yeah. So it's pretty cool. You can toggle screen, at least for the mobile app. And that's it. It's just it sounds simple, and maybe it sounds well. It doesn't really matter this kind of setup. but I like that to code this it. For me, yeah, it's great, at least to be able to. Well, I just wanted a simple way to stream things. That's crazy how difficult is. For example, for Twitch, you need the account. Okay. You need to connect your OBS, your OBS to that. Okay, no big deal. But the Twitch quality maybe not as good as my one, which is the source. So I'm streaming the source quality. That's the beauty of it. Beauty or not, depending on your case, but yeah. You have this. Yeah, there is other apps that you can stream, but sometimes you are limited because you have plans, because business wants their business. Okay, so they want you to pay for things or for features that doesn't super basic features, and like just streaming in high quality. Pretty sure that a lot of streams limit that. For example, in Twitch, even my Twitch, I can see my Twitch streams. Yesterday I did a Skyrim stream, and I replayed the video to see the stream, but the quality is not as good. That's crazy. I understand there is it's practical for everyone with low connection to be able to see the live stream. I understand that. So we have, but yeah, I always wanted to have a raw streaming, a raw video stream, and yeah, just by having a website and knowing a little bit about coding, I just managed to do my own thing. So that's funny stuff. It's just geeky stuff at the moment. But it's cool. It's cool. I could create a service for that, for people to want to use my website and to just connect. You guys have the localhost. Actually, let me think. If you have an ngrok connection, your RTMP, I'm giving you ideas, man. That's bad. But if you want to stream something into my website, you actually can do it. You just have to get your RTMP server set up. Okay, so you are using your OBS, hook it to your RTMP server, and just use an ngrok connection. And then with your ngrok connection, you can just paste it here and just copy the link. That's crazy, man. Everyone can connect and see and get. But that's the beauty of it, because you can, since it's another ngrok link. This is all different. I need to check this out, actually. But yeah, it's just a basic JavaScript file. So yeah, you are downloading a streaming. You are downloading YouTube MP4 video. So if you have another ngrok connection, yeah, with another thing, it shouldn't affect the main server. Yeah, because it's not running on the main. Yeah, the download is in your local. So this is locally in the code, in the script. Okay. So there is no big deal. Yeah, so I don't think there is a problem. So yeah, you actually can do it. You can use it. But you need to know what file I'm using. Yeah, because the OBS settings, some settings that you need. Yeah, I don't know. But that's great. That's great. That gives you a bunch of ideas. Yeah, that's the beauty. That's the freedom. That's the freedom we want. Yeah. Other than that, I hope you liked this video. Yeah, just for fun, so I can stream any type of content. I'm not having YouTube strikes or Twitch ban for just having fun with friends and just yeah. That's stupid, but yeah, that's it. I hope you guys liked it, and tell me what you think about, and yeah, we can talk over the comments, or you can join my Discord server. Feel free to, yeah, you have everything on my website, and yeah, have a nice day. Take care.